Hello, in this video I'm going to share with you some of the main features of a website called Nrich, which you can use with your child to solve maths puzzles and play maths games. Nrich caters for all ages from 3 to 18. If you Google Nrich and then click on to the website, it will appear as it does on the screen at the moment. So if we take a look at the primary students section first of all, so if you just click on primary students, and then we need to move down here to where it says activities and games. So I'm just going to click on maths topics, and all the maths topics on the national curriculum are covered. As you can see there, number, shape, position and movement, handling data and so on. I'm just going to click on number first of all. And you can see again that's divided up into the different topics within number. And for each of these activities or puzzles, challenges, whatever you want to call them, you can see that the ages that they're applicable to are given, and they're also split into levels of difficulty from 1 star up to 3 stars, 3 stars being the most challenging. So we'll just take a look at the addition and subtraction, and that's again split into 2 different age groups there. I'm just going to pick on the first one, and you can see there's lots and lots of different puzzles and challenges for you to do with your child. So I'm just going to click on one of these at random. So the Brown family, this is for ages 5 to 7. So it's got 3 stars, so it's one of the more difficult challenges. And what you get when you click on these challenges, you have the challenge itself there. So Sally Brown has an equal number of brothers and sisters. Mark Brown, her older brother, has twice as many sisters as brothers. How many children are there in the Brown family? So if you want to have a go at that puzzle, just pause the video and see how you manage with that. If you're struggling to get started on this, there's a getting started section, so you can click on that, where you're just given a few hints on how to get started. There's also teachers resources here, so if you want to act as the teacher when you're working through these with your child, you can click on that, and you're just given some hints and advice onto with regards to how to solve this puzzle. Finally, for the solutions, if you just click on student solutions, read through those different solutions from different students, different ways of solving the puzzle, and the solutions will be in there. Okay, so 7 children should be the answer to that particular puzzle. So just going to go all the way back here to quite a few pages back to the activities and games section. So they were the puzzles. For the games, you just click on where it says games, and they're split up into lower primary and upper primary. So let's have a look at upper primary. And again, the age ranges that they're applicable to are given here. Some of the age ranges go beyond primary, as you can see there with the first one. And the level of difficulty is also given. Okay, so lots and lots of different games that you could play. I'll just pick one at random. So there's a countdown game there, which will be similar to the one that's played on TV. So it's 1 star, so the level of difficulty should be not that great. So what you do for this, I'm told here, choose 6 cards. So I'm just going to choose 6 cards at random. And then I need to generate a target. So I click on this, a target number. Okay, so quite a straightforward start, hopefully. So all you would need to do here, pause the video or give yourself 30 seconds. And what you've got to try and do is make 100 and you've got these 6 cards. You don't have to use all the cards, but you can't use any of them more than once, and you can use add, subtract, multiply and divide as many times as you wish. And then for the solutions, you just click on this. I would imagine the first solution they would give us is 75 add 25, or the other way around. And what you'll see in these solutions here is there's lots of different ways in which you can make 100, and they will show you all the different ways. Okay, so there's lots and lots of games that you could play with your child. Okay, so that was the primary section. The secondary section is set up the same way. So if I click on secondary students, again, you've got this activities and games. So maths by topic for the puzzles, for the challenges, and there's the games. There's also this extra section here, short problems. So click on that, and it's the same as the other puzzles that you're given. They're just, as they say, shorter problems. Age range that they're applicable to, and the level of difficulty is also given. So that's just a little extra section in there. For post 16, I'll click on post 16. For the challenges, you need to click on this section here where it says be a mathematician. Click on think mathematically. All the different areas are given there. So if I click on the first one, exploring and noticing structure, that's where the challenges are. Now, it does say post 16, and if you look at the age ranges there, I'm seeing 11 to 14. But if you do scroll down, you will get to some that are just explicitly for post 16 there, polite numbers, age 16 to 18. Okay, so that's how it's structured in the post 16 section. For early years, if I click on early years, for this section, it's the activities that you would need to click on, and they're divided up there into those different topic areas. They're not so much challenges as you would expect for this age group, but just activities that you could work through with your child. Okay, so click on number, and there's all the different activities that you could work through with your child. Well, that's basically what Nrich has to offer. It's an excellent website, and hopefully you've found this guide useful, and hopefully you'll enjoy using this website with your child. Any questions or issues, then if you just get your child to speak to their maths teacher, please. Thank you.